Hello, my name is Alan Isid. I'd like to share with you about the natural phenomena such as hydrological circle. I'm going to explain that phenomena using an innovation idea I created myself. I was always wondering why does the air not flies off into the space but remains on the earth. It turns out that air has its own weight. Scientists weighted vacuum in the air, and the air's weight was heavier. So according to the gravity's law of Newton, all the bodies are attracted to the earth by gravitation forces, which has a lower density. Then, let's say water is pushed up to the top. Other bodies that have a higher density than water immersed in the water down. Same things happens with air on the earth. All gases that are smaller in density rise upwards. That's why we can observe such a natural phenomenon as the hydrological circle of nature. Water on the earth is heated by the sun and it turns into the gaseous vapor. Because of change of water density, it becomes less than density of air. The air pushes up the vapor to the upper atmospheric level, whereas similar gases with relevant density there are more rarefied air. Heat accumulates there, those clouds are formed. As the temperature at altitude of 1 kilometer is much lower than of the surface of the Earth. Eventually, steam goes down and turns into the water that falls as rain upon the Earth. Then the cycle repeats again and again, so this is called the hydrological circle. This process can be used as a source of alternative energy. How this can be done? I have one idea I came up with myself. Let's imagine two levels. The top layer is cool, where usually the temperature is from plus 5 to 15 degrees Celsius, and the lower part of the atmosphere there are from plus 30 to 14 degrees of Celsius, as typical in the desert or prairie. Let's put an observation wheel that stays on the ground, but instead of passages there is water in capsules. So hot water should be at the bottom and the cold water is at the top. When the water in the lower cabins evaporates, upper water in the liquid state outweighs that part with vapor. This demonstrates the work of the water cycle on the Earth. Steam which has been elevated up cools down, again turns into water, outbalancing and going down to the earth. This ensures a movement of the wheel. Wheel can be connected to a generator that will generate energy by spinning wheel. In the next few years I'm going to bring this idea into reality so that mankind had an alternative energy sources and then could use it for life.